These are great things about riding and exploring. I had no idea we have a space like this around Ahmedabad. And we keep complaining about things that we can do or we can't do in Ahmedabad. These are things that everybody should come and see. Beautiful here. Good morning everyone to this beautiful Sunday morning. मेरा नाम है बिनी और आप हैं मेरे चैनल पे. You know, I've said this a lot of times. If you keep doing what you love to do, in that process you will be inspiring a lot of people. You will not even realize how many lives you're touching. And I'm glad all the love that I'm getting from all of you guys. Thank you so much guys. This was just out of sheer passion and you guys are giving some amazing love, so thank you so much for that. And also I have been getting so many messages that all of these vlogs have been inspiring people to go out and live, go out and ride, see places. For that I'm really happy and thank you so much for all the love. So AccuWeather says it is going to rain today, but we at Rock the Roads, we are a bunch of crazy riders. We don't see weather reports. We just decide that we want to ride and we just ride. Sounds fantastic. That is how it is. तो हम अपने यूजुअल टाइम से कुछ आधा घंटा पहले निकल रहे हैं. It is still kind of dark. All right, somebody has removed the rubber padding that normally it has. This kind of thing here. लोगों को पता नहीं क्या मजा आता है ये सब चीजों में. But the plan is I'm going to meet Rohan, Prasoon and Harsha at Karnavati. From there we are going to the High Court, waiting for all the others, and from there to Sun Temple. मैंने बताया Sun Temple कर रहे हैं. Sun Temple today. We are riding today to Sun Temple Modera, which is about 60-70 kilometers from Ahmedabad. The plan is to ride there and be back by the afternoon. All right, that is Rohan. What up, what up, what up?
Good morning.
Good morning, brother. कैसे?
Yeah.
Calling Harsha right now to check where is he. Not answering. So the update is Prasoon is not picking up the call. You can see all the drizzling happening right there. Prasoon is not picking up the call and Harsha is going to see us directly at Kargil petrol pump. So me and Rohan, we are going to ride right there and all the others are waiting as well. Pinak is already there?
Of summer back south to wander, it's a chance to start again on the wing of remembering.
Here is the rest of the gang. Chalo, thank you. Fuel हो गया top up and I love these cars, yeah, so beautifully done cars these ones. And the rest of the clan. Now we are directly going to our world and जहाँ पे Harsha और Prasoon catch up करेंगे because they're already late and everybody else is waiting. Jacket कहाँ है तेरा? Jacket कहाँ है?
Still there's something special in the spell of the night. It's elemental, wild world in its perfect mess. It's the little things that make it all worth it. That make it all worth it.
How are you? Very good, yeah.
This is
Hi,
Jan Patel,
hi, Vinny.
my
Hi.
sister's son.
Awesome.
Winter chill and the snow is falling on the cedar still and the freezing waters in an ethereal glow. The warmth of my cold world of memories, all in perfect desire. I hold on tightly to all that I've come to find.
ऐसे टाइम पर
नहीं तो 10-15 मिनट अपने सिटी क्रॉस
So we're taking a small break. Also waiting for Harsha and Prasoon to join in. Nashta is what it is. Some gotas. Hey, I need chai. Umar ho gaye the. So finally these two also made it. Finally आ गए तुम लोग. फोन क्यों नहीं उठाता तू? कैसा है? बढ़िया.
टेक्निकल एरर हो गया मेरे साथ.
Some new faces in the vlog. What is the name here?
Sanchit.
Hey, Sanchit. Hi. Finally. Alright, done with the nashta, yeah. And also, Harsha is here, everybody. There's this new rider, Sanchit. He's here as well from Mehsana. Sun Temple it is, adopted by Akshar Travel, guys. Oh, not bad. Oh, nice and cool. You want me to push it? So here we are at Sun Temple Modhera. It is adopted by Akshar Travels. I had no idea about this. Awesome job, Akshar Travel, guys. The complete gang is here. All the bikes are parked. जबरदस्ती सबको लाइन अप करा दिया and we are taking a picture as well. As an explorer, we are also looking at places that we can do right after the mandir thing is done. We thought that this might be a water body, but actually ground types hai. Prasoon, I think we should also ask the locals. You have a lot of temples. You have a Chotu temple there as well.
That is kind of ruined one.
No, ये तो this is I don't think is a part of the temple. अब जाएंगे अंदर और फिर देखेंगे क्या करना है.
ये देखना ना, यहाँ से देखना प्लीज. Look from the corner. बस यहाँ से खड़े रहकर.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. These are great things about riding and exploring. I had no idea we have a space like this around Ahmedabad. And we keep complaining about things that we can do or we can't do in Ahmedabad. These are things that everybody should come and see. Beautiful here. This is from here. Prasoon just took a brilliant slow-mo for me. That is Rohan, and I just got to know Rohan is a Punjabi. This is the other side of the mandir, Tefela Gayan, and so we've been told we can't go inside and we can't shoot inside. So the reason I'm showing it from here, it's a beautiful spot. You guys should definitely come, especially right now, Barish wala time. This is really beautiful. If you really want to know the details of Sun Temple, you can pause the screen and read all of this. Awesome. Alright, so जिन लोगों का patience नहीं है, I'm gonna read the first paragraph to all of you guys. The Sun Temple of Modhera, which ranks next only to the Sun Temple of Konark, is one of the finest example of temple architecture in Gujarat, built in 11th century AD. This temple is located in Bichraji Taluka of Mehsana district, on the left bank of river Pushpavati, a tributary of river Rupen, situated at a distance of 30 kilometers from Patan city.
There is no deity inside.
Yeah,
It's a depiction of Mahabharata and Ramayana.
Mahabharata and Ramayana both.
Yeah.
Taken some amazing shots. I hope you guys see it on our Instagrams as well. Prasoon is here. We're taking one more shot. Harsha is there shooting for us, and yeah, madness. Madness. Took some amazing videos. I hope you guys are following us on Instagram and Facebook. You'll see a lot of videos coming from Prasoon and Harsha as well. Super amazing. Look at that. Why would you never see this?
क्योंकि विष्णु की कभी प्रतिमा नहीं होती।
क्या बात कर रहे
पूरे इंडिया में सिर्फ एक प्रतिमा है,
हाँ?
साउथ में। बाकी 90% व्हाट आई नो, विष्णु की कभी भी कहीं पे भी प्रतिमा नहीं होगी।
Some very good time at Sun Temple. Prasoon is dead. हर्षा जैसे डायरेक्टर मिल गया, मतलब प्रसून हर्षा खुद ही डेड है वैसे तो, देख पीछे, इसलिए हमको भगा रहा था ना तू, हमारा वर्कआउट करा रहा था इसलिए। तो यार मैं संडे वर्कआउट ही हो गया। नाउ व्हाट इज द प्लान? सो वी विल एक्चुअली आस्क सम लोकलाइट्स, सी इफ वी कैन डू समथिंग एल्स एज वेल। इफ नॉट देन वी आर प्रॉब्ली राइडिंग बैक टू अहमदाबाद, इफ नथिंग तो सो या। Alright, a great time at Sun Temple. Now the plan is to head off to Ahmedabad. बाकी सबको भी पहुंचना है, and Jamwal is the one who has cancelled every single one's plan of going to Narmada Dam. बाकी सब ready हो गए थे. But anyways, yeah, that is the plan. You know, best part about riding with the clan is each and everyone is pushing each other. That's the whole point. बहुत सारे अलग अलग किस्म के टेम्परामेंट्स होते हैं राइडिंग के वक्त भी। किसी लोगों को फास्ट जाना अच्छा लगता है, किन को स्लो जाना अच्छा लगता है, बट एक दूसरे को पुश कर रहे होते हैं। That's the best thing about group rides. और जस्ट इन केस आपको अगर ढंग के राइडर्स मिल गए जो आपका टेम्परामेंट समझते हैं, पीपल हु वांट टू एक्सप्लोर राइड दी प्लेसेस, नथिंग लाइक इट। मैं और और जस्ट टेलिंग देम, मैं और रोहन बहुत अच्छी सीट करते हुए आ रहे थे। आई एक्चुअली हॉन्क्ड आल्सो।
हाँ, मेरा गाना चालू है।
हाँ, तो मेरे को हॉन्क किया, मैं ना इनका वेट करते हैं, लेट्स वेट फॉर ऑल दी अदर्स टू कम एज वेल। बट मैं वही बोल रहा था कि मैं और रोहन एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छी स्पीड करते हुए आ रहे थे। सो वी आर नाउ वेटिंग फॉर ऑल दी अदर्स टू कम। आई होप आ जाए, नहीं तो फिर we'll start the ride again. Apparently Kevin had somebody he wanted to wave, somebody who's come from the US and has been quarantined at home. So we're back home, 198, add about 5 more kilometers. to the petrol pump. So we did about 205 kilometers today. Alright, so back home from this beautiful ride. मैं हमेशा ये सोचते रहता हूँ, ऐसी कोई जगह विजिट करता हूँ तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि अगर वो टाइम पे अगर पैदा होता तो मैं क्या क्या करता या किस टाइप का मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस होता है. Having said that, hope you guys like the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. वो बेल आइकन हिट कर दो और share it with all your friends. It'll be lovely to have like a community that talks about travel.